YouTube? Welcome to RiahsCurlyScoop, and to get this look right here, make sure you guys stay tuned because that is coming up next. YouTube, welcome to RiahsCurlyScoop. If you're new, welcome to RiahsCurlyScoop, and if you're returning, welcome back. It's been a long time coming, right? Anyways, today I am back at it with a new video, and I brought this look to today's video, and I think this look came out amazing, like amazing, whatever. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pick my colors. Put that on your forehead. That yellow right there. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna get started. And of course, you guys know I started on the eyes. But before we get there, I'm gonna moisturize real quick. I put on coconut oil, but I do need to moisturize. Like an actual moisturizer. Hi. My illuminating face primer, this is from e.l.f. and this is the Radiant Glow. I'm gonna make sure that I conceal my eyes before I put any eyeshadow on. Okay, so I'm done concealing my eye, the top of my eyes, my eyelids, whatever. And now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna pick my colors. And so I think my transition color, I'm gonna make it like a nice neutral, like nude. Okay, so I'm opening up my Ray Ray palette, and I'm gonna go in and I'm going to start. I like this color right here, the pancake, the second shade out of my Ray Ray's palette, and that's gonna be basically my transition color. I'm gonna put that right here at the top. Okay, guys? Before I even do any of that, is right now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. contouring brush. Hug. And as you guys see, it has like a nice flat, thick surface. So what I'm going to do with the kit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, you see it's right on top. So I'm gonna push it all together. And so I'm gonna create a nice lining. Seen one of my favorite makeup gurus do it. So I'm just gonna come in and you're just gonna press like this. And any fallout, obviously I didn't put on my foundation or anything, so regardless, this is gonna help me just put that where I need it to be. And I'm really messy, so this is gonna be perfect for me. So now I'm gonna go back in and I'm going to grab that pancake color, my transition color. This is where I'm at right now. And I like that because that looks so good. Like that's gonna tie in so good with the yellow once I put it on. Can I get back to my tutorial, please? Yes, I can. Alright, so on this palette, on this red, and it's called Sunset. Ooh, I hate the glares. This color right here, that's Sunset. And so I'm gonna put that right on the outer hug. What am I doing now? I'm gonna put that on the outer crease. So I'm going in with the Sunset. One hit. That's a good amount of powder. that looks good, but I feel like I need something to make it pop a little more. So there is reds in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette where I'm going to grab my yellow. So I might go in with one of the darker reds that are in this palette, which I have a nice dark red in the second row right here. That's a nice dark red. Hear that? Right in the middle, so it just pops a little more. It's just like hello. And I think I'm gonna go in with my same brush that I just used for the red already, just so I can keep that red color. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that popped a lot more. Look at that. That's one, and this is two. This is with the new red, and the old one with the red. And I like that. Like, I don't want it to be like a whole bunch of red, but I want it to pop out a little more, just so I have more of that color. Okay, time to go in for my concealer and just put the crease. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my yellow. Since I cut the crease, yes, mama's yellow. Since I cut my crease, I'm gonna go in with my yellow from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. And the closest one I found was the one in the top, the second yellow and the top row, that brighter one right there. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. eye crease brush. So I just want to go in that same exact spot and just. Alright, so it's not going on like I expected it, so I'm gonna hit my e.l.f. Hydrating Gel Mist. Get my product in there. Oh, that's better. It's better, but it's not. Okay, I regret that step. I regret that. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go with my fingers. No, I'm gonna actually go in with a different brush and see if that might help. A different eye crease brush, right? Brush should be the second one. It's not, I mean, it's on there. It looks so weird, like the pigment.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Yeah, okay. That's just for my eyes, mind you. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Now my face is basically prepped. I already put on my primer, so I just prepped it with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. And now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and this is Bobbi Brown Golden Honey 5.75, not 15. Don't listen to me. foundation is on. Actually, I'm gonna mix my steps in today because I've seen a lot of people do this and I wanted to see how it goes. You guys know I don't really do my eyebrows too much, especially when I get them done, so there's not too much to add to. I'm just gonna run it. Alright, I'm gonna do eyebrows and I'll be back. Switched around my whole routine. I want to see how this is going to work out for me opposed to what I do already. So I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. And this is my Hoola Benefit bronzer. Bronzing brush.
Why we lose.
So now I'm gonna go in with my contour cream, and I'm gonna go in with this first shade at the bottom, this first dark shade, this one right here.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
I'm gonna go in with my blending sponge.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love.
Make sure you guys go down below and comment and like my video, and make sure you guys subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Welcome to the family. So I achieved this look with 2 palettes. I used the My Ray Ray palette and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette because I have this tropical type of shirt on. And so today I just decided to do something different and just something that's gonna just make my eyes pop. And I like this mixture because this yellow looks so good, and my eyes look amazing with the red on it as well. I feel like I'm like Avengers right now. Like I'm like an Avenger right now. Anyways, so of course I have this little crazy nugget with me, and so with that being said, make sure you guys go down below if you're not already subscribed to my channel, and make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know when I'm posting videos, because I do not post on the same exact day every week. So make sure you guys stay tuned into that so you guys know when I am posting, and make sure you guys go down below and like and comment my videos as well, so I know that you guys are liking it and you guys are commenting and telling me what you do and don't like. Thanks for tuning in to Riah's Curly Scoop, exclusive only on